process in order to keep some of the beneficial bacteria. And they're one of the cleanest ones that I researched recently.
If it's beneficial to the drug, we want to know what is the drug.
Over the years, that has been very beneficial to me because
that I think it's going to be beneficial for us to take an overarching look at how we run our elections.
I do think what Max was saying, as to bringing it into the schools, will be very beneficial.
Excellent. All right.
Was beneficial to many counties. That built a lot of roads.
This is a much more radical, much more sweeping, we think much more beneficial than the reforms that are now being considered.
It's actually beneficial in a larger sense. A company that makes cluster bombs.
And those changes which are beneficial means that creates.
I'm sure it would be beneficial. But what I take from
for beneficial soil microbes, for mycorrhizae. So it provides a habitat for them.
Kid can read. I don't need to read them anymore. Versus it is really beneficial to keep reading for as long as that.
Are out there, so that's been tremendously beneficial. So with water credit, we've been able to do that.
And that the fungicide use reduces beneficial fungi that are important for bees. Well, in bee bread.
that you feel that latkes are more beneficial to rats than.
We know that field portable instruments are highly beneficial in both sample hydrating, figuring out.
It becomes more beneficial to be hybrid. One thing that you've done, which I appreciate, is you are hybrid, but you're not. And what I mean.
The user also beneficial to Google out of a circumstance that's already kind of created for you.
Why don't you ask that?
Odds has been beneficial because you read this man.
It's beneficial. So there's great work done by.
On a team of people is much more reasonable, and it's more beneficial to our company and the investors.
I know that it would be politically beneficial to the speaker.
Tramel, what say you?
Same thing. Once you're
incorporated diverse and unequal populations into a system of beneficial, if also coercive.
Then yeah, going to an orchestra and listening to one would be beneficial, but it would also add to the experience.
A number of those decided that it would be beneficial to have boots on the ground here in the city. So
this has been really, really useful and beneficial. So for me, that.
I have grown from it. It has been beneficial to me. I learned independence.
Then the beneficial effects of the bugs are prevented. Another way by
in the short run, that would be very beneficial to the budget, but in the long run, that would
really start to piece together the beneficial effects of nature on.
So it's educational and it's beneficial, I think, to anybody at any.
Be beneficial. So.
Genetic superpower.